Hello everyone. As
This
Flowcart
meeting is being
Marketing,
recorded.
today we are going to present our new project. My friends shall begin now.
Okay, understanding the main problem is very important for us. Most of the attendants answer positively for question about discussed in online apps has effects on their preferences or not with a more than 80%, right? And almost 60% express that advertisement in TV attract them when product is what they are interested in. And also we see that the majority of people use these apps frequently and they are relatively educated.
Now the solution.
Well, as an alternative solution we came with was using such type of common discounting, which would be which will be beneficial for both parties, and it's a good alternative, we think. And besides, throughout the application of this process, we had some important experiences. For example, creating and reaching accurate data about the market is really helpful to create strategy. Therefore, we decided that it's really important to create data via surveys or interviews and determine the preferences of the current customers, and then creating a good strategy. It's an important experience for us. Next one.
Current competition.
The business model we have invented don't have any direct competitors since it's a new model which will enter the market. We might have indirect competitors instead. Example from indirect competitors can be given as ads agencies, digital agencies, and other companies such as Groupon, which gives voucher codes. So let's proceed to the next slide.
The business model.
Our business model is based on B2C companies which sells goods or services. We aim to acquire new customers and to increase traffic of current customers of companies who are willing to introduce an alternative campaign. We take a percent of revenue made from promotions, so it's affiliate model, and we utilize online apps such as Billionaire, Yemek Sepeti, TikTok, and Martı. So our aim is to start and plan profitable and efficient campaigns, adjusting most suitable ground for the campaigns. Next, proceed, please.
Mm-hmm.
Our secret sauce relies on data mining. As much as we operate, we gain more data, and as we gain more data, we are more powerful because we know where to use the correct material, so we can get the maximum efficiency out of the campaigns. So let's proceed, and my friend will take over from this part.
So when it comes to the marketing and sales part, we will focus on the our traffic for coming from television and applications. Because when we comes to my mind, advertisements is very important for our business model, and in the long run, we are thinking about this project of ours for these products may suggest a project development and this project of our products. Also, regardless of the company, we can start over any company we can reach and then grow in the line with our occasions. Apart from customer companies, this issue doesn't make much difference in terms of segmentation. However, before going to strong companies and challenging with difficult issues, it is very useful to focus on small companies, because going through small companies in the beginning we will focus both give us experience and increase our capital little by little. In this way, we became more experienced when we go to relatively larger companies. Can you go to the other page?
The team.
Yes. Team. We should focus on all employees can benefit from developing ideas, because we think we can do that. To do this, they can conduct research on the sectors of this company that are conducted. In addition, they can take the data of companies and make short and long-term analysis and studies related to this data, because we will use all of data. And afterwards, they can meet and consult with each other and then with the relevant company regarding these studies. Can you go to the next page?
Projections and milestones.
Yes, projections and milestones. The most important part of this project, in my view, is the transaction phase from small and scale companies to large scale companies, because that is the growth process. The reason for this is that when starting to do business with larger companies, a possible bad course can completely prevent growth or bankrupt the company, because after we start to have a bad reputation among these companies, it will be very difficult to recover. For this reason, it is necessary to go to the that stage by making a lot of effort and gaining a lot of experience in the initial stage. And now my friends will continue.
To make a summary, as entrepreneurs, we're aiming to bring a breath of fresh air to the business as providing service that has never been provided. And we have stated our business plan with every single detail. However, we are aware of the fact that we may not catch the desired rate of growth. Therefore, we have to embrace the failures and try to improve the parts where we are lacking. And we have to reach our ultimate goal of working with large-scale companies by starting to add small-scale companies on our portfolio and expand our business by the profit we acquire. Thank you for listening.